In this video, I'll talk about searching within Kumu. The search feature is pretty robust. The typical way that one might search for something is by the labels that you see on items, just because they're evident. So if you come up here and you type in LI, it tells you that, well, it shows in light boxes and two links. So I can select one of these. I mean, this is pretty simple because you can see all of them on the screen at the moment. But if I select this one called external links and then hit enter, it will go ahead and bring the one that I selected into center, and it will put a bullseye around it so that I know that that's the one that's selected. And then it goes ahead and shows me the profile page for it on the left. Now, if I had actually just put in LI and told it I wanted to search for LI, it ends up selecting external links, local links, and widgets, and it tells me that there's multiple selections. I might want to look at one of these and then the other and then the other, though if I click on one of them, it will select that one and I will lose the selection of the other two. So as a convenience for you in terms of doing the search and not losing the context of the search result, you can then come down here and select focus and click on selected. So now it will only show you the ones that were selected as a result of the search. And now you can actually unselect them and they're still here. You can look at one and then the other and then the other one and not lose a sense of which ones resulted from the search. And if you simply click and hold in the background, it will bring all the rest of them back to the forefront. If you had searched for LI, done the focus for just the selected, and you looked at local links, and you said, well, okay, what else was connected to local links? If you click and hold this, it will then show you the connections to local links, and you can walk this network in the map the same way if you simply started with it all selected and brought some portion of it into focus. So whether you started from the result of a search or from putting or selecting something into focus, you can always unfold and walk the map. And holding in the background for just a moment will bring them all back into view. In addition to just searching on the text, there's this little item over here, this little rocket that lets you build a selector so that you can use multiple aspects of this map as search criteria, so that you can say, I want to search on the connection type description, all of the different aspects of this. So I could say that I want all of the entities where the element type is, and I know that intermediate is one of them, so I could say that I want intermediate, and I could use the selector, and then it selects all of the items that are intermediate. I could also select from saying that I wanted all of the items where the description contains th and the element type is basic, and use that selector, and then it tells me that there were no batches for that selection. So it's relatively robust in terms of allowing you to do a search on all of the different aspects of the entities which exist in terms of whether it is or isn't, contains, less than, greater than, and you can use additional attributes when they're defined. So it's pretty robust, though the part that I found really useful was if I do a search, whatever it happens to be, and this is just because it's easier, if I do a TA and do the search and end up with a couple of selected elements, the idea of being able to focus that and just do the selected one so I don't lose it. I have found that extremely useful on a repeated basis. So a few thoughts about searching in Kumu, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.